guys, I saved up my money so I can get this PS4. Are you recording it?
Yeah, you said you wanted to make a video, remember?
Can I get a control? Let's open the box. Like, back here, these are extra stuff I got. So it says the PlayStation system. This costs $269 at Walmart. This is what's inside the box. Let's open it. Can you help me? So we get these earphones that come with it, the HDMI cable for like your TV, and we also get a controller. And then this wire, I think it's the charger, I think. This one is the one that...
Charger for what?
This is the charger for the controller. This is the, so you have to connect this to the box and then plug it into the wall so it can work. So it gets electricity. So it also comes with an instruction manual. And of course, it also comes with an actual PS4. Let's see how it looks. Oh, it's upside down. This is what it looks like. So right here, there's a power button. So over here, there's a little bit of buttons. Right here, there's a power button. I think this is for the disc. We have the things for like the HDMI and the power cord. All of this comes for $269 plus tax. Our set, we bought an extra controller and a charging station. Thanks for watching.